Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our new video. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Aisha Ayub and you're watching Aisha Ayub's creation. Okay, so എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയുമെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയില്ല, പക്ഷെ ഞാനിപ്പം നാട്ടിലാണുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇട്ടിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസ് കണ്ടാൽ മനസ്സിലാവുമായിരിക്കും ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ടൊക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ നാട്ടിൽ ആണിപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളത്. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ കുറച്ച് ദിവസത്തിനുള്ളിൽ തിരിച്ച് ബഹ്റൈനിലേക്ക് പോകും. സോ അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മളിപ്പം അടുത്തായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ വീഡിയോസൊക്കെ കുറച്ച് ലേറ്റ് ആയത്. പിന്നെ നമ്മളൊരു ഫണ്ണി സീരീസ് അബാൻഡൻ ഹൗസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് കോമഡി ഹൊറർ ഒരു വീഡിയോ ഇട്ടിരുന്നു. വെറുതെ ഒരു എൻ്റർടൈൻമെൻറ്റ് വീഡിയോ ആയിരുന്നു അത്. അപ്പം എനിക്ക് എന്താ പറയുക, ഫസ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോ ഇട്ട് പാർട്ട് 2 ആണെന്ന് എല്ലാവരും പറഞ്ഞു. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ പാർട്ട് 2 കുറച്ച് ലേറ്റ് ആയെങ്കിലും നമ്മൾ ഒപ്പിച്ചിട്ടത്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ വന്നിട്ടുള്ളത് ടിപ്സ് ടു ഇംപ്രൂവ് പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻ എന്നുള്ള ടോപ്പിക്കിന് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ്. ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷനിൽ എങ്ങനെ കുറച്ചും കൂടി ബെറ്റർ ആവാമെന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ പറയാൻ പോകുന്നത്. സോ നമുക്ക് നമ്മൾ ടെക്നിക്സ്, ടിപ്സ് അതിലേക്കൊക്കെ കടക്കാം. അതിനു മുമ്പ് നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുവരെ എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ ഓൺ ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. ശരി, ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ ഫോർ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റെപ്പ്, shadowing. So shadowing, this means just you're like repeating just after a native speaker, native English speaker. So what I meant is actually like, for example, you're watching a video and like it's a native speaker speaking something and they're telling you something, just pause and tell. Like you're just repeating it just after the native speaker. So that's called as shadowing. Shadow means it's something which comes behind us. So right after the speaker says something, just behind that you must also say the word. That's called shadowing. So for example, I'm gonna say a sentence and right after I complete it, you are supposed to do it. That's how we say, or like that's how shadowing works. So for example, the mango fell out of the tree. Repeat it. The mango fell out of the tree. Like this. This is shadowing. So right after I say it, you are supposed to repeat it after me. That's how this works. Let's go for tip 2. So tip 2 is linking and reductions. So linking, it means, for example, you're getting a very long sentence, so you're just like making it together. For example, this word, this school, this school. So for example, the sentence is I am going to this school. So we won't say it like this, I'm going to this school. We say I'm going to this school. So the S after the this and also the starting letter of school is both S. So you're just like making it together. This school, wrong. Like as per link, this school. We better say like as per linking, we say this school. I'm going to this school, not this school. That's linking. Okay, so like now, so like when we use linking, we get more better at pronunciation, we get more better at pronouncing more difficult words and long sentences, and this is absolutely gonna work if we try. Now tip 3. Tip 3, practice challenge words. So here what we mean by like challenge words is some words which we felt is so hard to say or so hard to pronounce. So of course there will be 1 or 2 words which we felt like that it's so difficult, it's gonna be so hard, I can't do this. There might be some words, mostly it will be long words which is going to be more hard. So for example, I found a very hard word, I can't pronounce it, I'm trying but I can't. Then I just like, I let it go. But then that's not how we should do actually. We should go behind it and just like try again and again and again, and we're going to challenge ourselves. I'm going to say this word for sure, I'm going to learn the pronunciation and go behind it, just do it. That's all. Practice challenge words, practice and like win the challenge, pronounce it properly. So we go for hard words, like more than easy words. Try or like focus on hard words first. That's what we mean by this tip 3. Tip 4. Tip 4 is test yourself with voice clips. So what I meant by this is like, let's get an example here so that it's going to be more easy. So what I mean by this is, for example, I am chatting with my friend and I want to ask her how her birthday party was. So instead of typing it, or like instead of texting it, I'm going to say it in a voice format. I'm going to record the audio. So this is absolutely going to work so much because daily, whenever we are going to chat with our friend, we are practicing our pronunciation skills. We're trying to get it more good. So instead of typing, try some audio clips. It's of course gonna be working. Tip 5. So the tip 5 is actually a word chart. So what I mean by this is going trying to focus on tenses like present tense, past tense, future tense, these tenses. So for example, if it's like, we're gonna go like this: go, going, then, and all those things are there, right? So it's better for us to make a chart like that and go through it like this: buy, going to buy, bought, like that; bring, going to bring, brought. So like this, we're gonna prepare a chart because pronunciation is important, or like what, focusing on these tenses and pronunciation, it's gonna work so much goodly, like nicely. So whenever we are speaking, we also get the tense right and also get the pronunciation right. So that's all for today's video. So these 5 tips is of course gonna help to make your pronunciation more better. So pronunciation, it's really a big deal. Really? No, it's easy if we try these 5 tips. So make sure you're gonna try all these. It's going to be so helpful. So thanks for watching till here. Try these 5 tips, subscribe, like, share, and also watch my previous videos if you haven't. So now we are going to stop the video here. Thanks for watching. Bye.